What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tiago here. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. Quick update on the 6.5 over here. I removed the PMD that was up here. I don't know if you guys remember from the last update. I got this extension cable from a nice buddy over there at Leroy Diesel. I forgot to give him a shout out. He gave me this cable so long ago. I haven't got time to put this cable yet, and I told him that I'll give him a shout out. I'll send him you guys to his website for you to get this nice quality extension cable for the PMD. So the only thing that I did, I disconnect my PMD that was here. I undo these two bolts. I put the cable here. I reroute it all the way down here, and then I put my PMD over here on the front. So yeah, quick shout out to Leroy Diesel. The link will be down below to his website. Go over there, pick one up. He hooked me up. I called him. He was very nice. It's been like, geez, right before the pandemic. So it's been probably like 11 months that I was supposed to do this video. But yeah, thanks. Like, subscribe, do all the things that YouTube like for you to do. And I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks. Bye.